Here's our Christmas dinner, Jollibee. I did not cook this year because last year I cooked a lot and nobody ate of my cooking. Happy Merry Christmas, everyone. My dinner for today, Jollibee again. Come on, let's eat. Today is 26, so after Christmas, this is what I got. It's not spicy chicken this time, but I like also not spicy. You like your food? Happy Merry Christmas to my family and at Hingoog and my friends back in the Philippines. Kain po tayo nga. And I have biscuit. I'm very hungry. We run around too much. I decide to eat Jollibee. Bye!